Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the importance of laser light shows in small and medium-sized events. Before we proceed with the video, I just want to take a moment to thank you, our loyal viewers, for your support of our channel. We appreciate every single one of you who have subscribed to our channel and clicked on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. By subscribing and clicking on the notification bell, you've helped us to grow and create more amazing videos. You've also shown us that our content is valuable to you, and that means the world to us. Our channel offers a wide variety of videos, and we strive to make each one informative, entertaining, and engaging. We hope that our videos have provided you with value, insight, and entertainment. So, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being a part of our community. We promise to keep creating amazing content that you'll love, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you. Now we will proceed to our video. First, let's start with the basics. A laser light show is a form of entertainment that involves using lasers to create stunning visual effects, often synchronized with music. This type of show can transform any event, no matter how small or medium, into an unforgettable experience that guests will talk about for years to come. One of the main reasons why laser light shows are so valuable to clients is that they add an extra layer of excitement and energy to any event. Whether you're hosting a corporate event, a wedding, or a birthday party, a laser light show can create an immersive and unforgettable atmosphere that will keep your guests engaged and entertained throughout the entire event. In addition to being entertaining, laser light shows also offer clients a range of practical benefits. For example, they can help to create a sense of professionalism and sophistication, which can be especially important for corporate events or other formal occasions. They can also help to set the mood and create a specific ambience, which is essential for events like weddings and other celebrations. Another benefit of laser light shows is that they are incredibly versatile. They can be customized to suit any event, whether you're looking for something that is bright and bold, or something that is more subdued and sophisticated. This means that clients can work with a professional laser light show company to create a show that is tailored to their specific needs and preferences. Finally, laser light shows are incredibly cost-effective, especially when you consider the value that they can provide. By adding an extra layer of entertainment and excitement to your event, you can help to ensure that your guests have a great time, which can help to improve your event's overall success and reputation. Plus, because laser light shows are so versatile, they can be used for a wide range of different events, which means that clients can get a lot of value for their money. In conclusion, laser light shows are an incredibly valuable tool for small and medium-sized events. Not only do they add an extra layer of excitement and energy, but they also offer practical benefits like professionalism, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. So if you're planning an event, consider working with a professional laser light show company to create an unforgettable experience for your guests. Thank you.